the fastest way you can live off dividends, $2,900 a month. Have you ever dreamed of waking up each day knowing that your money is tirelessly working for you, transforming your financial fantasies into reality? Imagine the thrill of financial freedom, where the reassuring chime of dividends landing in your account becomes a daily norm. This isn't some distant fantasy. It's achievable, and today, we're diving into how you can make it happen. The vision, retirement, and financial stability look different for everyone. While some might consider downsizing, relocating, or even reverse mortgages, there's a powerful alternative often overlooked: living off investment dividends. We're talking about a strategy that can potentially bring in $2,900 per month. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal 3 fast tracks to this goal. The blueprint. What's the secret to identifying your perfect investment strategy? It boils down to your lifestyle aspirations and, of course, the numbers. The average person spends around $67,000 a year, but that figure can vary widely. You need to tailor your financial plan to fit your unique needs and dreams. Financial freedom isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. It's about understanding your own desires and aligning your investment goals with them. Do you dream of traveling the world, living in a cozy countryside home, or perhaps starting a passion project without worrying about income? Visualize your ideal life and let that vision guide your financial planning. The intrigue. Envision a life where your investments generate a steady income stream, allowing you to enjoy your life without depleting your principal. It's like having a magical tree that constantly bears fruit, providing you with passive income through dividends. Let's turn this intriguing possibility into your reality. Understanding dividends. First, let's break down what dividends are and how they work. When you own shares in a company, you're essentially a part owner. If the company profits, it can choose to reinvest in growth or distribute a portion to shareholders as dividends. These payouts can come as cash or additional shares, and many companies distribute dividends quarterly. To really grasp the power of dividends, consider this. You're not just betting on a company's success, you're becoming a partner in its growth. As these companies expand and profit, so does your share of the rewards. Dividends are a way for companies to share their success with their investors. This shared success can be a reliable source of income, especially from well-established companies with a strong track record of regular dividend payments. Dividend yield. To measure your dividend earnings relative to the stock price, you use the dividend yield. For instance, if a stock worth $100 per share pays $10 annually in dividends, your yield is 10%. This metric helps you evaluate investments and decide where to allocate your funds based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Understanding dividend yield is crucial because it provides insight into how much return you can expect from your investments. A higher yield might indicate a better income potential, but it's essential to balance this with the associated risks. Some companies might offer high yields to attract investors, but their underlying business might not be as stable. Conversely, companies with lower yields might offer more stability and long-term growth potential. By carefully analyzing dividend yields, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial strategy. The strategies. Now, let's delve into 3 strategies that can help you achieve $12,900 a month or $35,000 a year in dividend income. 1. Covered call ETFs. One of the quickest ways to generate income is through covered call ETFs. These funds invest in stocks and write call options on them to generate additional income. Popular options include XYLD, OILK, and EWZ with yields around 11.8%. To earn $2,900 a month, you'd need an investment between $280,000 to $310,000, significantly less than traditional dividend stocks. While this method comes with risks, it offers a compelling way to maximize income with a lower capital requirement. Covered call ETFs are particularly appealing because they combine 2 income-generating strategies. dividends from the stocks they hold, and premiums from selling call options. This dual approach can enhance your overall returns. However, it's important to understand the risks involved. If the stock prices increase significantly, you might have to sell the stocks at a predetermined price, potentially missing out on higher gains. Despite this, covered call ETFs remain a powerful tool for those seeking higher yields with a balanced risk approach. 2. High-yield REITs. Another effective strategy is investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These entities own income-generating properties and share the profits with investors. High-yield options like Two Harbors Investment Corporation, Brandywine Realty Trust, and Orchid Island Capital offer yields up to 20%. With an expected annual return of around 10.8%, you'd need about $320,000 invested to hit your $35,000 annual income goal. REITs can provide a stable income stream, especially if you reinvest dividends and remain patient over the long term. REITs are a fantastic way to diversify your investment portfolio while benefiting from the real estate market without the hassle of direct property ownership. They offer the advantage of liquidity, as you can easily buy and sell shares on the stock market. However, it's important to note that REITs' performance can be influenced by the broader real estate market and economic conditions. During periods of economic downturn, the value and income potential of REITs might fluctuate. Despite this, their historical performance and attractive yields make them a valuable component of a dividend-focused investment strategy. 3. Dividend aristocrats. Finally, consider dividend aristocrats, companies in the S&P 500 that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 25 years. Examples include 3M, Leggett & Platt, and Walgreens Boots Alliance, with average yields of around 7%. These stocks are reliable, offering a stable income stream. To earn $35,000 annually, you'd need approximately $432,000 invested. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your path to financial independence, leveraging the power of compound interest. Dividend aristocrats are renowned for their stability and reliability. These companies have demonstrated a commitment to returning value to their shareholders through regular and increasing dividend payments. This track record makes them an excellent choice for long-term investors seeking dependable income streams. While the yields might be lower compared to other high-yield investments, the consistency and lower risk associated with dividend aristocrats make them a solid foundation for any dividend-focused portfolio. By reinvesting dividends, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your investment and income over time. Conclusion. By exploring covered call ETFs, high-yield REITs, and dividend aristocrats, you can tailor a strategy that matches your risk tolerance, investment capacity, and financial timeline. These methods can help you achieve $12,900 per month or $35,000 annually in dividends, transforming your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Remember, the key to successful investing is understanding your goals, staying informed, and being patient. As you embark on this journey, it's important to periodically review and adjust your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial goals and market conditions. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can also help mitigate risks and enhance your overall returns. The path to financial independence through dividends requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video insightful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's embark on this journey to financial independence together. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial dreams. Thank you for watching, and let's make your financial freedom a reality.